Okay, let's learn about the Marquee tool for a beginner. First of all, we just select the layer, just copy the layer, press Ctrl J. Just simply select your Marquee tool. Then select your specific area. Then just press Ctrl T. Active the transform. Then just simply hold the Shift key. Then just stretch it. Okay, that's it. Next, okay. Then just press Ctrl D for deselect it. As you see there, for this properly correction of it, make them mask. Just make sure foreground color black. Select the brush tool. Then just simply remove this extra parts. Decrease the opacity. Then oh, okay, here we go. Then just simply select every specific area which is you want. Just reduce properly. That's if you're facing this problem, just decrease the opacity. Then just simply make your foreground color white. Then simply correct all of this immediately. Just then select the layer. Go on the Marquee tool again. Then select the area right before it. Then just press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V for paste on the layer. Then just press Ctrl T, then just go on that. Okay. Okay, right after that, just press Ctrl T. Then you see up there the arch. Just go on the arch option. Then just select your direct selection tool. Then just stretch it light properly. Then just here we go. Just doing same thing with all of the three. Okay. Now just go on the layer, select the layer, just press Ctrl J for copy it. Hide the second layer, just go on the mask. Then simply make your foreground color black. Then just remove these extra parts on this properly. Make sure you remove that part which is you select on the copy area. Okay, then just remove all of this. Okay, now just for more drama realistic, simply select your pen tool right over here. Select the pen tool. Then simply select that area which way you want the shadow. Okay, this. Smoothly make the selections. Just right there. Okay, now then just right click, then make selection. Make sure it's on 0, then press OK. Next selection, select your brush tool. Harden on 0. Then select the darker area of your picture which is you want to reflect the objects. Just decrease the opacity. Then just here we go. Make sure you select the layer of this copy. Just go on the second layer. Just like this. Okay. So now here we go. So now it's done here. Okay, if you learned something new from me, make sure to like this video and also subscribe my channel for more. I make or informative or creative stuffs for about graphics and everything. And you can also follow me on Instagram for more updates about it. Share with your friends. I'll catch you guys next time. This is being creative. Allah Hafiz.